Well, turning to the U.S. now, we're tracking a major storm that is about to make landfall. Hurricane Michael developed quickly and it is gaining strength. It's spinning over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, picking up steam, and is expected to slam into the Florida Panhandle, potentially as a Category 4 tomorrow. Renee Filipponi is tracking the storm for us this evening. And Renee, tell us what makes Michael so dangerous.
Well, Ian, a storm of this size in this part of Florida is pretty rare. Only 3 major hurricanes have hit the Panhandle since 1950, the last one being Dennis back in 2005, when 88 people died. So officials are understandably concerned and are urging people to listen to warnings, to leave or get prepared. Pineapple Willie's was closed today, but employees were hard at work.
We're just trying to get all the windows and stuff boarded up, get the shutters on, turn all the gas and stuff off.
The restaurant sits on the beach, right in the path of Hurricane Michael.
This one kind of come up out of nowhere. No one really talked about it till yesterday, it seemed like, So yeah, I think people are taking it seriously.
Michael could bring winds up to 177 kilometers an hour, dumping up to 30 centimeters of rain, and cause a storm surge of nearly 4 meters.
That means the water will come miles inshore and could easily be over the roofs of houses. Think about that.
Officials are expecting a lot of damage and widespread power outages. At least 120,000 people along the Panhandle have been told to leave, and millions more in Florida and neighboring states are on alert.
This isn't about politics. I love my family. I love all the families in the state, so I'm going to do whatever I can to get people safe.
Those who aren't leaving are preparing to wait out the storm.
We opened at 6. By 6:15, we sold out of every generator we had.
At gas pumps and grocery stores, the lineups were too long for some.
The pumps are covered with bags. Walmart's empty with water, so it's easier to stay.
With Michael closing in, time is running out, not just to prepare, but to get out.
And Renee, I'm sure a lot of people wondering about how this compares to the other major hurricane of the year, Florence.
Well, Florence, despite all the forecasts, actually ended up weakening before it hit the coast, and that doesn't appear to be the case with Michael. Officials are expecting the damage, especially to power grids, to be even worse. And keep in mind, Ian, when this storm moves north, it will hit North Carolina, which is still dealing with the cleanup from Florence.
Okay, Renee, thank you.
You're welcome.